Is it works the real secret to manifesting? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a classic manifestation guide that's been around since 1926. It Works, the famous little red book that makes your dreams come true. But the big question is, does it really work? Let's find out. Now, first of all, this might be the simplest and most powerful manifestation project on the planet. I, Rosemary, personally use this book and continue to use it daily. I am manifesting a wonderful life. I started this channel because of my love of the aesthetics. I now know that thoughts are indeed things, and I can create anything I want in this life and the next. I was instructed to share this wonderful information with whomever is ready to do the work. My hope is that this channel attracts all the souls that are ready to change their life. Okay, enough of my rant. Subscribe to this channel and receive important daily videos. Now back to this wonderful book. For those unfamiliar, It Works is a concise self-help book that offers a definite plan for bettering your conditions in life. It eliminates complex scientific, psychological, and theological explanations, boiling down its method into 10 minutes of interesting facts, a definite plan, and 3 short rules of accomplishment. The 3-step method. The core of the book revolves around a simple 3-step method. One, write down your desires clearly and concisely. 2. Read your written list of desires 3 times daily, morning, noon, and night. 3. Maintain faith and belief that your desires are on their way to you. The idea is to focus your thoughts and energy on what you truly want, aligning your subconscious mind to attract those desires into your reality. Now, theory is one thing, but what about real-world results? Let's look at some testimonials. Amazon reviewer. The powerful idea presented so simply and well in It Works will change your life. I know this because it has changed mine. Reddit user. I have manifested so many things just by writing for myself and others using scripting. No visualization at all. It's my favorite technique. These individuals credit the book's method for significant positive changes in their lives. My personal experience. Curious about its effectiveness, I decided to try the method myself. I wrote down specific goals and followed the 3-step process diligently for 30 days. Here's what happened. My main desire was to build a success business so I could be totally independent. Every day I did something for my business. Every day I created new designs and continued to build my inventory. People who I needed to help with SEO, etc. started showing up. While not every desire materialized instantly, I observed a heightened sense of focus and positivity, and some goals did manifest in unexpected ways. I slowly became more positive. I started receiving little gifts from strangers, free coffee, etc. I was more thankful and became more grateful for everything and everyone in my life. It was an amazing psychological perspective. From a psychological standpoint, the method aligns with principles of positive thinking and goal setting. By consistently focusing on your desires, you're training your mind to recognize opportunities and take actions that align with your goals. It's a way of programming your subconscious to work towards what you truly want. So, does it works really work? Based on historical testimonials and my personal experience, the method offers a straightforward approach to manifestation that can lead to positive changes. However, like any self-improvement practice, its success largely depends on your commitment, belief, and the actions you take towards your goals. If you're interested in trying it out, the book is concise and easy to integrate into your daily routine. Remember, the key is consistency and genuine belief in the process. This video is sponsored by UnderTheStarsBabe.shop. Remember, while under the stars, babe, anything is possible. Have you read It Works or tried its method? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on personal development and manifestation. Thanks for watching.